This groundbreaking invention has revolutionized flooring, eliminating the pestering problems of traditional floors and preserving the sought-after benefits. Introducing B-Design Vinyl Design Flooring. B-Design features cutting-edge technology that strikingly replicates the colors, grains, and even textures found in natural wood and stone flooring. Built to be water-resistant and durable to resist scratches, stains, and dents, B-Design floors are warm underfoot and are easy to maintain, making your life a little easier. This innovative technology has transformed the flooring industry. Plus, B-Design is a do-it-yourself product with click systems that make installation simple. Score firmly at the desired length. Snap off and install anywhere indoors. Choose from a wide range of stunning wood and stone designs to complement any home or professional setting. B-Design. Live on vinyl.